Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nono here, Zondo. As you might have seen with the title, yes, I am recoloring my hair as it was a request from a subby of mine. So I stick to my promise as requested. So in this video, you will get to see as I recolor my hair. It's long overdue. It has. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I do on a daily basis when it comes to recoloring my hair. Not actually a daily basis, but when it's time for me to revamp my hair color, this is the process that I do. So if you enjoy uh contents like these, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm sure to be pushing more out of this content of hair journey with me. So I hope you do stick around, and I hope you enjoy the video as well, guys. So do the right thing, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So here, guys, I am mixing up my blonde colors, which is your developer as I showed you, and the color. So I'll be mixing them all up together. Sorry about this part. I'm also jamming to Beyonce while doing my hair. So as you see here, I am mixing the colors together in this black bowl here. And yeah, so we're mixing it all up. And then here, as you can see in this section, I'm cutting my foil. So the foil is actually for the blonde part that I'll be doing on my hair. So my hair is going to be dyed with two different dyes. So the blonde needs to pop out more. So hence, this is why I'm using the foil. As you can see here, you can cut it out nicely. I decided to part my hair into 6 sections. So hence, these are the three sheets that I have that I've spread out, so I'll be cutting them into smaller pieces as well. So yeah, so this part here, I'm sectioning my hair like I said, which I'll be dividing it into 6 sections. Sorry, which I'm dividing into 6 sections here. I tried to make it quicker because I didn't want to make this video very long. So yeah, I'm parting it into 6 sections like you see here while jamming to Beyonce. So this part here, I'm putting the foil almost in the middle, but not necessarily in the middle, but in between my natural color and the dye that I had previously. So I'm trying to make a perfect layer of this, which I was struggling here, as you would see, as I'm trying to prepare it nicely. So here I'm trying to take, as you can see, I try to make it closer. So I start from the middle where my dye was, where my previous dye was, and try to go down with it. And I was failing dismally here. As you can see, I'm trying to foil it down. So it's almost like in the middle of my hair from the natural hair color to the dye that I had. So I tried to slip the foil on my face, but I think I was not seeing properly. So I think with this part here, you really need another hand for someone to help you. So as you would see throughout the video, I ended up asking my sister to help me with coloring my hair. When it comes to dyeing your hair when it's relaxed, it's a total different story from your natural hair. Whereas your natural hair, your hair sticks out, and where your relaxed hair, your hair it falls out. So that's the problem that I was having here. It was quite easy when my hair was not relaxed. So yeah, you would see that my baby sister is gonna come and help me, but you'll get to see how we do it. So here I'm getting help from my baby sister, as you can see here. So that's the first section that I did in front, which was not bad. So she's actually parting the hair as well, as you can see here. So she lays the foil underneath my hair, as you can see here. And then she's gonna go with the blonde from the middle downwards to my ends of my hair, and then she's going to try and flip the hair into the foil because my hair was a bit long. From the foil that I cut out, it was slightly smaller, and then she folds it, make it into two parts, and then she folds the sides and then cover it up like this, and then it would look like this. And then the next section that she does, she's going to repeat the same concept that she did on the first one. So she's going to put the foil underneath, and then she's going to put the hair on top, and then try to dye the hair again, and then dry it all throughout until my ends, as you can see here. Sorry for the angle of the camera. I should have shifted the camera a bit so that you guys can see. But yeah, she's going to push in my ends because the ends were very long. So she's going to do the same thing, put the dye in to the hair, and then she's going to close it, close the sides as well, both sides, and then she's going to leave it and then go to the next section, as you've seen here. So this part here I needed to change because here with the first one that I tried, it was a bit bad. I could see that my baby sister's parts were different from mine, so I asked her to reapply again the part that I did, and then she tried to cover it up with the new foil that she cut out. So yeah, and then we go into the other side, which I'm not going to show you that much, but she's going to be doing the other side. As you can see here, I'm tearing up because I didn't have this chemical on my eyes, mind you that. It was just that the smell of the dye was very strong, so don't ever pour this on your eye by mistake. So yeah. So in this section here, it's a different dye that we mixed. I'm using two colors, as I said. So this one that I'm doing here, it's a DZ brown, also from Dark and Lovely. So it's slightly brown. It's not slightly, it's strong. It's a strong brown. It's almost like a chocolate color. I'm dyeing it on my roots. As you can see here, I just speed it up. We are done here, covering my whole head with the dye. So as you can see, it's slightly brown, as I said. It looks almost like chocolate. So yeah, I'm just waiting it out here. I'm waiting for it to get into my natural hair, and then it's going to be super chocolate. So here, so when we're going to be washing my hair, as you can see here, I'm using the silver shampoo for my my blonde strips because I want them to pop out more. As you might have seen, some people, when they dye their hair blonde, it becomes yellow. It doesn't become that strong blonde. So that's the silver shampoo that we go in first. So we shampoo those parts with the shampoo, the silver shampoo. And then the second part here that you will see, which is your normal shampoo. So that's going to be going through my roots because, as I've told you before on my other video, my hair was not washed for almost a month, so my hair was very dirty. So we'll scrub that in. We'll try and massage it into my hair and also my scalp so it can wash out nicely. She's rinsing out the shampoo here. We go in with the shampoo about 3 times. You will see here in the video. Like I said, I'll be going 3 times. So that's the 3rd time that I had the shampoo because my hair was very dirty, like I said. Don't forget, guys, to scrub, especially your scalp because it really needs it. You need to take out all those cloth, is it cloth or dirt, whatever. So you need to take it out of your scalp. And then here, we're rinsing the shampoo again out. You need to thoroughly brush out the shampoo. And then we are going in with my conditioner, which is Tresemme. I'll try and link all the products that I've used down on my I'll link them down on my description box. Sorry guys, I got caught up. So yeah, I'm pushing the conditioner in, and I'm also combing it out, as you can see here. And then the last bits here, when I dry out my hair, I don't use, so when I dry my hair, it's either a t-shirt or I use this your traditional cloth here, as you can see here. I'm very sorry guys, we have come to an end of the video. Sorry that I couldn't put the final video where I was drying my hair. I had no more space on my phone, plus also we had a bit of load shedding that day. I couldn't quite film throughout, so I hope you guys got to enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys return more to see when I am adding more videos when it comes to hair content. Hope you do come back again. Bye for now guys. Bye.